Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the 5 best solar power generators, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Ankor Sollex C1000 Portable Power Station. Stay powered wherever life takes you with the Ankor Sollex C1000 Portable Power Station, a compact solar generator built for speed, strength, and sustainability. Reaching 80% charge in just 43 minutes with ultra-fast recharging and fully powered in under an hour, this 1800W beast ensures you're never left in the dark. Equipped with a durable LiFePO4 battery, rated for 3,000 cycles over a 10-year lifespan, it's engineered for long-term performance. Whether at home during a power outage or off-grid in the wilderness, its 2400W surge pad output and 11 versatile ports handle 99% of appliances with ease. Recharge it with up to 600W of solar power in just 1.8 hours and monitor or customize everything from your smartphone using the Ankor app. Plus, it's 15% smaller than similar 1 kWh units, perfect for RVs, camping, and travel. Power your adventures with confidence. Number 2. BlueEtt EB3A Portable Power Station. Power up anywhere with the BlueEtt EB3A Portable Power Station, a compact yet powerful solar generator designed for on-the-go energy and emergency backup. Despite its lightweight 10-pound build, it delivers a strong 600W AC inverter and 268W LiFePO4 battery, offering clean and efficient power through 9 versatile outlets. Enjoy ultra-fast charging with a single cable, up to 80% in just 30 minutes when using AC and solar together. Thanks to its built-in MPPT controller, it supports up to 200W of solar input for sustainable, off-grid use. When the power goes out, the EB3A instantly switches to UPS mode, protecting sensitive electronics from disruptions. Whether you're camping, traveling, or prepping for outages, the EB3A is your reliable and portable energy solution. Number 3. Zerocore 300W Portable Solar Generator. Stay powered anywhere with the Zerocore 300W Portable Solar Generator Bundle. This all-in-one kit includes a 300W power station with a 60W solar panel and a 120W portable power bank with a 22W panel, perfect for camping, RVs, van life, or emergencies. With a 280Wh battery, it powers phones, laptops, lights, and small appliances under 300W. Multiple outputs include AC outlets, USB-C, QC 3.0, and DC ports. Built-in LED flashlight offers reading and SOS modes. The 120W power bank adds more charging flexibility with AC, DC, USB-A, and USB-C ports. Featuring short-circuit and overload protection, this quiet, gas-free setup is eco-friendly and easy to use, keeping you connected wherever you go. Ideal for both home and outdoor use. Number 4. Ankor Sollex F2000 Portable Power Station. Power your world with the Ankor Sollex F2000 Portable Power Station and PS400 Solar Panel Bundle. Featuring 2400W output and 12 device ports, including AC, USB-C, USB-A, car outlets, and an RV port, it delivers unmatched versatility. Built with InfiniPower technology and LiFePO4 batteries, ensures over 10 years of daily use, while advanced temperature monitoring protects battery health. Perfect for RVs, home backup, or off-grid adventures. The PS400 solar panel features 4 adjustable angles, 30 to 80 degrees, for optimal sunlight capture. Fast solar recharging keeps you powered sustainably. Backed by a 5-year full warranty, this eco-conscious, heavy-duty solution is ideal for emergencies, remote work, or outdoor living. Stay charged anytime, anywhere, with complete confidence. Number 5. Jackary Explorer 3000 Pro. Meet the Jackary Explorer 3000 Pro, your all-in-one portable power solution for home backup, RVs, and off-grid living. With a massive 3024WH capacity and 3000W output, it powers 99% of appliances with ease. Charge it fully in just 2.4 hours via AC or in 3 to 4 hours with 6 times 200W solar panels thanks to 25% solar conversion efficiency. Built with industry-leading safety features, including 12-layer BMS protection and enhanced heat dissipation, it ensures reliable operation. The The Quiet Canyon cooling system and less than or equal to 30 dB charging mode make it ultra quiet, while the Jackary app enables real-time monitoring and smart control via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Lightweight with wheels and a pull handle, it's power on the go, designed for wherever life takes you.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.